Final TV. African Entertainment.
Where are you now?
I ain't your car. Hey guys. How are they? How far? See what I tell you. Oh no, just waste time.
Yeah.
Sit down. We could just go out in case we see that guy. Just execute our plans. You know what I mean?
Now, yeah. And the earlier the better. The earlier the better. How will they run the matter now?
I will do them like this. Two of us, me and you, go stand like people where they wait for KK or boss or whatever. As in passenger where they travel. You go hide. Now when we catch the guy, bam, you go come out like a rescuer. From there, nobody gonna know say where you, but inside us we know now where they go. So immediately we move, but we leave the authority for them. Me? You don't know. Come. Utobo and Otama. Waiting to pursue the both of you.
Utobo. Hey.
Nothing. Now they run this guy wrong. Okay now, I they go hang out with my baby. I go rest. This word now once when person they come out. I they come back. Yeah, honey. I they come here. Oh, just go. I they go. Hey.
Now, what's your girlfriend? Want your girlfriend? Want you know the hear word. I don't talk. I don't tell you say want you know the hear word. Now woman carry you go that room. Now woman give me all this thing where they my face. Advise someone. You go put yourself on trunk.
Wait. Which woman you talk to and give you this thing for face?
No be wetin we go talk now. Ma go inside. See, I dey stressed up now. Ma go inside. I beg. We will talk that one later.
Hey.
Hi.
Your face.
Aye.
What happened to
Mama,
your face? Hey, who did this to you? Talk now, Tapa.
Mama, I don't suffer.
What happened?
I don't suffer.
Talk now. What is the problem? What happened to you?
Hey, you know, sir, I go interview this morning.
Yes.
See, as I dey come back, I enter bus. That bus, as we dey move, the thing come dey somersault. If they go up, should go up, we go down. go up. Tonto!
Jesus Christ!
The thing can land.
Jesus Christ! You mean the boss you entered somersaulted?
The thing over somersault.
You know what?
Can land.
Come here.
Now God go to thank you.
My son. You know what? You know what? Come inside and have rest.
Huh? Make I do it.
Just come and have rest. Come and sit down.
Ma, come inside.
Yes.
Rest.
Yes.
Mama, you get wetin dey happen to me now.
What is that?
Mama, I go like need. I need fried rice and chicken.
Nigeria. Oh my goodness, man. From his best, man. Yeah. There's nothing like home, nigga. Yeah. I'm great, man. I like it, man. I like it. It's good to be home. Oh. Look at everything, man. Damn.
Yeah. But you welcome to Nigeria. I know it's been a long time you left. We'll miss you.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, I hope you're enjoying it.
That's good, as you can see, man. I'm happy. Anyway, baby, it's been 4 fucking years, man, you know. Breaking my brains, man, stuffing them up broken inside, you know, right now. I'm a graduate of business management. Yeah. You know, actually, I want to study medical, you know. That convinced me to study business management so I can take over his business or something, you know. Yeah. So I guess that's cool anyway, you know.
But I even have luck you didn't study it though. Dad really tried for you. Dad tried very well because I know that this your brain can't even carry medicine.
Hey!
I know, you saved you from disgracing us.
What are you talking about? Are you crazy or something?
Please calm down. Don't let your sister, she's just joking with you, okay?
Man, what is she talking about?
Please just calm down.
Man.
I mean no harm now. Just saying.
Just tell the driver to take us to a cool jam, man, and it'll cool up a little.
Yes.
Don't worry, we've prepared everything, waiting for you.
Okay. Alright, driver, just push him, man. Straight up, man. Straight up.
Mr. Bani, what is the meaning of this?
Sorry, the meaning of what?
Why is this like this? Upon all the money I got to you, and this guy is lying lifeless here. What's your problem?
Please, I'll take care of it.
Take care of what? Take care of what? Now, let me warn you. When I go and come back this evening, and this guy is still lying down here lifelessly, I'm going to give you the beans of your life. I promise you that.
I'll do my best.
I said I have said it, and I will deal with you seriously.
Hey! Ekwensu ebe nafana. Ekwensu ebe nafana. Jai.
Oga.
Go and call me Echeta.
I beg Oga, no first. Now who be Echeta?
Echeta, whose workshop is close to the market.
His workshop is close to the market.
Okay, sir.
Ekwensu ebe nafana.
Where are you coming from? And besides, where is the cloth that I asked you to go and get for me?
I went there and the man said you've collected the clothes.
So, what happened? Stupid girl. Don't tell me that you have started keeping bad friends.
No. Based on what you told me in the morning, I went to see if I can actually...
Nkechi, what did I tell you in the morning?
Uncle, are you not the one that said I should go and look for husband? I had to look for husband.
Will you shut up that your mouth before I shut it for you? Nkechi, don't tell me that you went prostituting.
No, I'm not a prostitute.
Where is the man?
I did not say a rich man.
The man you told me that you went in search of that made you forget the cloth that I asked you to go and get for me. Idiot. Will you go inside and prepare my food?
Yeah, welcome, my boy from United States of America. How was the studies there?
Dad, America is a free country, Dad. A nice country as well, man. Daddy, here's a very good friend of mine, you know. We studied the same course in America.
Wonderful. What's your name?
I'm Val, sir.
You're welcome.
Alright, thank you.
So, Dad, and that's my studies. Cool, man. Daddy, I had to study very, very hard, man.
Cool.
Studied very, very hard. Daddy, guess what, man?
What, my son?
I made the class honor in my third what? The class, Dad? What the fuck are you talking, man?
I know you don't mean it. What's the third class?
My goodness, man. Daddy, third class is equal to first class in Nigeria, man. I was told the strong third class, man. Man, a very strong one, Daddy.
Jane is no longer going to study overseas.
No, Chief. The educational system here in Nigeria and that of the States are not the same. So, third class is very, very powerful. Yes, very, very powerful.
Don't give me that.
Well, man, I don't really give a damn about Jane going to study in America or not, man. So tell me, Dad, when are you going to introduce me to your staff in the office? I want to take over the business right now.
Take over which business?
I want to take over your business, man.
Let me tell you, my business is at a first class level now. So I cannot hand it over to a third class degree holder like you.
Dad! What the fuck are you talking about, man? What's the name of that, man? We had an agreement, Dad. We had an agreement, so man...
So all the money I spent training you overseas are all in vain.
No, fuck, man. Oh my God. Sit down here.
Inezori inagage godu utobo utaba kini kage meregi kiwe dimaro I don't hear
see Kalista Kalista if I finish with Kalista for this time Kalista go regret the day when
wetin that girl did na correct thing. To flog him, the sharp one, correct kill.
I go flog him. I go flog him. Because if I tell you, you can imagine what this girl do. Utobo, your own small, my own are direct beating. If you see beating, this is what they talk direct Belgium. My own are direct beating. See, if I see that girl, now the direct beating when you give me, now I go give him, and I mean him.
If you not go agree, I just give him advice. I go suggest for now. Because me as I did, I thank God who created me. I thank God for my life. But for two of you, don't you want to give an advice? On a day careful.
No, wait.
Make on a day careful.
Now you can't give us advice now, be?
Because I know where they head to. I know where they go. Listen. River net they carry person when on yarn. Now make
it don't happen to me. It don't happen to Ram. It remain you. So now you supposed to take make you stay careful.
You want me to be careful?
Yes. It don't happen to me. It don't happen to me.
You don't hear where river choppers when no conflict with them.
Don't worry.
Don't go for now. Come out.
Don't give me food. Share food in the house. The Chris, the one where you cook a bit, the one where you.
Not only food. Go chop food.
Pass your money. Pass your money. Pass your money.
What is your problem? Why are you shouting as if you lost something?
I said it.
As you can see, my husband is very busy inside.
I said it that I must definitely look for my property.
What property?
Oh, my car cassette and my jack. I can't find them.
My son, as you can see, this is not the right place for you to come and lay your complaints. You know he has workshop. Just go direct to his workshop anytime and lay your complaints and stop disturbing us.
Madam, excuse me please, and I wasn't referring to you. Just do me a favor and keep your mouth shut over.
When he finishes, Oriako, leave him to talk. When he finishes, let him go.
Oh, she should leave me talking. That she should leave me to talk. Yes, I see. Nayabane. My car cassette and my jack worth 15,000 naira. I can't find them in my car, and you're telling me that I should keep talking. Now let me tell you. Now I know you are very, very heartless. You are wicked. But I'm giving you 2 weeks. When I go and come back.
What will happen?
And if you didn't give it to me,
what will happen?
See me in a hot position.
You know I pity you. I pity you.
Okay?
I have seen you as a man who cannot appreciate services rendered to him.
Do you know how many hours I spent on that your car? Washing the plug? Washing the radiator? The fuel tank? In fact, I've spent so much time that you are supposed to pay me double. And you came here to talk rubbish.
I should pay you double?
Yes!
Nayabani, let me advise you. If you're tired of this very job, quietly go home, sleep all day, and stop using this your mischievous way to extort money from people. In my own case, you will not go free. You will not go free!
Hey! The balance in the bigger.
Nine, you will never change. All the time people will be coming here, laying one complaint or the other. Why can't you change in mind? Change for once.
Look at you. The time he came for marriage, you were as slim as a finger. Having eaten my food, you are now looking like a normal. You have mouth to talk. If you dig me in instead of supporting me, you're supporting a stranger. Be careful. If you're not careful, this night, we're gonna arrive in bed. Mambo Regi. Mambo Regi, you can now go. I will watch.
Dad.
Yeah?
Please excuse me. Please, where are you going to?
On my way to a meeting.
Alright. Dad, I can see you don't want to introduce me to your workers in the office. Isn't it?
Sorry, see, there is one or two things I want to arrange. And the moment I'm through with that, I'll take you to the company so you can take your rightful place.
Alright. One more thing, please.
Okay.
I want to be driving around town just to keep us all busy.
Okay, I will instruct all of the boys to take you around town.
Oh, no, Dad. I don't need anybody to drive me. I'm going to drive myself, right?
Sure?
Yeah.
Sure?
Of course you can.
It's okay.
Take care of yourself,
No
Dad.
problem.
Alright. Yeah.
Hey! This life ain't easy at all. As I take one thing, whether to go outside, look for anybody who get boss, beggar, maybe forgive me the boss, make I drive for.
If that taxi, me I no go drive taxi. If na boss, me I no go drive bus because already I don't tell my girlfriend say me I be importer and exporter, and all the whole thing why they work now towards to become that serious importer and exporter. So I no fit do any other thing.
You didn't say to import something come here easy. If you don't hear I say somebody fit import something without money, you get 1 naira.
They think like that. Now God want put that in for my mouth, and I know say God want use them do miracle for me. Make I tell you, I go become serious importer. Just match.
Another idea will enter me when I won't consider now to go to this site where they build house or where they mold block. You know, just join them, do all this menial job. We feel see something to take good our body and soul together. Abi?
If not, I want to go follow you now. Now, say, why go give my girlfriend one next man and go see?
You think Chris? What is the worry? Now Chris, they worry you. Abi, you the mad?
Now you the Chris.
You never talk of money where you go take survive. You are talking of money to give your girlfriend. Huh?
The only thing with the worry you now do mentality. The only thing with the do be say they don't understand things.
Understand what?
God create man, create woman, and they create them made them dey ground. No way, they up. And not their position na to receive, who is going to give.
I hear you.
Let them think as only you go get a job alone.
Importer, exporter.
Relax yourself.
In fact, I'm robber.
Me, I thought I should follow you for back. I should have wanted to get the money, I go follow you.
That's that talk, I do.
Alright, Chris, so what do we do? I'm kind of bored. Let's find a place to hang out then.
Wow. That's cool. But you know, I don't really know anywhere in this country, you know?
Easy, bro. Here is Nigeria. There are cool places we can hang out.
I should my sister to at least to, you know, show us places or something.
Yes.
How about that?
It's okay.
Alright.
Jane baby. Jane baby. Jane baby.
Yes, brother.
Sweetie, please come. Hold on.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Just busy upstairs.
Oh, there's something I would tell you, please. Could you follow us and show us places or something, you know?
I would have loved to, but I'm busy upstairs now. Why don't we leave it till tomorrow? No.
No, we are both here. We can take us places, please.
No, you have to spare me for today because I'm busy upstairs now, please.
Alright, okay, there's no problem, alright?
Okay.
That means we'll be going without you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright.
But I hope you're not hungry.
No, I'm not hungry. I crossed my mind, nigga.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, remember to buy my...
Okay. Alright?
Alright.
Oh, that was my sweet sister.
Yeah, so did you.
So, man, I don't know, maybe the next one. Why don't we change up?
Hey, stop. So you see me, they cover your face, they turn around. Eh? Don't say the match, the Chris. What do you mean of that thing when I do that day?
What?
Eh?
What's that?
Hey, see this girl asked me what? Eh? You the Chris, you the match? Eh? Wait.
I don't know anything about it, man.
Please come, please.
Yeah.
Sorry, is there any mechanic around?
On a day new for town, which kind of person be say whether is there any mechanic for town?
Actually, we are new in town. Only that our car developed a small fault.
Okay, now, how I could take no say that small fault to your car here?
It's just a minor issue, sir.
Minor issue?
Yes.
Minor issue. Wait. When I get man, I'll be screwdriver then.
Let me check.
Now which kind business you never do? Which kind you never play? Which kind runs you never enter?
Yeah, start up. Why there? Start up.
Wow! This guy must be a mechanic.
Man. Wait a second, man. Are you a mechanic?
See, I be professional mechanic. Only be say I never get money to open my own shop.
Oh, that's right. Right. Don't worry yourself, okay?
Alright.
Look at what's going to happen now. I'm going to introduce you to my dad to be our personal mechanic, okay? Do you also know how to drive?
Now, small big question now they ask. Which mechanic going to be how to drive? In fact, Oga, I be driver.
Really?
I bet you never regret it, okay? Yeah. But meanwhile, let's find any cool spot around so that you can eat and take some beer, okay?
Wait. Before you go take the eat and the drink the beer, look, we do the introduction first.
Understand that, okay? You can understand that.
5,000 okay? Now because you use speed to give me the money, otherwise I will not collect them.
Don't worry, it's nothing, man. Nothing, not manager, right?
Thank you. Look at they go now. They go somewhere now. Okay, man, okay, let's go. Look at hopping. Oh, man, okay. Let me see, look at enter.
In a chuaru muanyile, in a zori, in a gagodu, utobo utaba, utobo utaba, utobo utaba. Kenika gemeregi, kiwe di maruado. Idinjo, utobo. Dikeh.
Wait, now your house will go?
Oh,
huh? Yeah. No, I beg, stop me here.
No, stop my place.
I want to come down here now.
Why?
I get fever. Everything they worry me, I beg. Let me just pack somewhere and make I come down.
Alright.
Okay? Pack there, I beg. Yes.
Alright.
Just take it. Just pack some. Yes, correct. You don't do. Parking now. Hey, thank God. Hey, thank you. Hey. Make I go house from here.
Why?
Hi, I get fever. Plenty fever.
Okay. So Chris, let's take him to the hospital then.
No, I beg. Forget hospital. This 5K what I go give me, he go do me. I go manage him.
Wait, or is it the AC that cost it or something?
Yeah, for where? AC doesn't. I don't feel any AC, only AC. See? Don't come out. That's one thing with this. I don't enter motor we carry deep freezer like AC. No shaking. You understand? So it didn't be saying, no worry. If I reach house, I go buy drum. This money when I give it.
Alright, in that case, take this 10,000 naira. Okay?
Which kind business you never do? Which kind you never play?
I go call you. If I know for who to call, yes, I will call you. Thank you.
Ibukwa hazula. Ina chuaru muanyile. Inezori. Utobo utaba, utobo utaba, utobo utaba. Kenika gemeregi, kiwe di maruado. Idinjo, utobo. Dikeh. Yaya wakale.
Come here.
Do. You know, say you two they talk, you two they fall. What? I just want to hey! Hey!
Play.
General. I tell you, I must beat you. You go give me
one chop.
Utobo.
See, as if so, I bring with that correct news, great news of great joy.
Which news?
Hi.
CNN news or ATN news?
I say, if I see this kind of news, guy, this guy, what the guy?
Hey, well, Jesus Christ.
No, be Jesus. This one na money.
Where you steal this money from?
You dey mad? You dey crazy sometimes? Then tell you say I no fit hustle again. This guy don't colo. For your information, I worked for this money.
Which work?
Bam. Very beautiful question coming from a handsome one like you. Now listen. I made this guy for Rudo. Where he to spoil. I no say na Jane, brother. Eh? I can't help him fix the car. Now I can't promise me the job. Auto say I go become their personal mechanic.
Which job? Which job?
Wait, mechanic now. Personal mechanic. So as we go in place now, I can't discover that place I could be stay for some time. Now I can't do my number 6. Pretend sickness. I form sickness to life. At the end of the day, the guy can't slack me for body like this. I collect 5K like for operation, 10K for the sickness.
As it is not come now, I beg no verse. I go like to collect money from that place, pay landlord because our house rent will expire this month.
I know.
Oh, just from that, pay landlord.
Good talk.
One job, that one never reach first. See, you know now, you know. You know what we always do now.
Yeah, 1 on 1. 5 and 6.
After we see landlord, you don't give me a good.
And I'm brother.
You give me small money, then I do something for
What's money? You only wash up first. See, make una go hustle. Make una own money. You see, I don't make an ever again.
No, it's not. See, this is where they talk about. If now so the millionaires, they talk to rich millionaires. That's the people go to dance. Bible talk and say, be your brother's
keeper. Helper. Bible talk I'm correct. That make me go keep una here right now.
No, be brother's keeper. Now slip of tongue. Now brother's helper. Look, I keep money now. Look, I keep money. Bring money now. Don't
Jane, there is this guy I met today that helped us fix our car. I wanted to bring him home and introduce him to Daddy so that he will be our mechanic driver.
Your first time of going out and you're already meeting people.
But that's not the point. It's not the point. The point is though, as soon as we approached close to our compound, you know, he suddenly felt sick. I don't understand that.
Well, just be sure you don't bring criminals at home one day. You know Nigeria is not like US now.
Baby, I know.
This guy is cool. If you see the way he helped Earth, you know that he deserves something.
Oh, man.
You're protecting your friends.
No, he's not protecting, man. You know, it's the fact. It's the fact, okay? Anyway, that was not the point now. Right now, I'm terribly hungry, okay?
I don't
Just give me something, okay?
Oh, sure. I will. I can help.
I don't just understand. You know, the way that happened, you know, it's shocking.
Was he? You don't say that man they owe Utobo 50,000 naira.
Not true.
And now, Utobo don't work.
Yes.
And the man saying go pay the 50,000 before he transfers.
Not true. Yes. And now, he go pay that 50,000 naira through his son.
Yes, now what you promise?
Yes.
See, man, tell you. Now this is not make I tell you to go Utobo, make it need the work anyhow. Now don't find woman come out. If he carry woman enter now, he go enter this boy house. Go to dance warrior.
You see him?
The boy don't put warrior down. If he enter now with the woman, now there, person will not get radio. Radio down another person's house. Now that one, now ain't like passing on. Man, I tell you. Make we think what we go do, go collect the money.
What you go do now? What you go do? I get the idea.
Which idea?
I get the idea. Come out.
I been check am now.
So Chris, how have you been coping in Nigeria?
Oh, Dad, I'm cool. I'm doing good. Actually, I'm really enjoying this fucking country, man. Of course.
Well, I actually called to inform you that there will be a seminar coming up tomorrow, and I want you to attend.
Come on, Dad. Dad, I went to United States of America and acquired enough. I should be the one teaching people, not people teaching me, Dad. Listen there. I'm thinking of organizing a seminar, workshop, seminar for people, you know? Man, you know I'm more than this Nigerian store, man. You know, I don't really like that, man. Tell me something more important, please. But man, I don't really like that.
See, my dear. Yes, I know you have acquired enough in the United States.
Yeah.
But let me tell you something. Any man who stops learning automatically stops growing in knowledge. So I need you to attend that seminar. No man is an island.
Okay, that's right. I'm gonna think about it. Okay. Think about it. One more thing, though.
Yeah?
I think I need some cash in my, pocket.
What happened to the 50,000 that I gave you 2 days ago?
Come on, Dad. That's a guy from the US, man. I should always have cash in my pocket all the time, please.
I see. If I had been spending the money that way, I assure you will not have met me the way I am today. Nevertheless, come to my room later.
That's my dad, man. That's why I like it, you know? That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much, Dad. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So what's that? Is there part of this stuff?
Welcome. Now you be open.
When I get car, where I go to pay for now? We no come here for that one. We come here for serious business, as you see also. Business? Now see this babe face now. You see this fine girl. See what your son taba do. Now son taba na it beat like that now. Are you telling me you were there when this thing happened? When are they? We were wrong, but he escaped. Hey! 3 of you, 3 able-bodied men, laugh on yourself. Laugh on yourself, say 3 of you no fit pursue 1 person. 1 useless otaba. You couldn't catch him. Eh? Hey! Person went there for home. Deal with them. Even crucify them. Eh? You come here, come they complain to me.
So, Oga, we no come here to talk all this one way they talk now. Because the next time we go catch your picking, by the time I give her a charm. Just and confirm matter, that time you go know say this one going to come no use. Who go kill her?
No, no kill her.
Now you sabi, Oga.
Now my only son.
Oga,
one your son, oh. One more. Babe, move the go. Hey, which kind blood where they take born this my son? Which kind blood? Yeah?
How are you?
I'm fine. Why do you stress yourself coming? You should have called me now to come over.
Yeah. It's your brother. Has been disturbing me that I should hand over my business to him. And I can't trust him to hand over my business to him. You know the kind of result he brought back.
Oh, Daddy, please. Don't stress yourself over my brother, okay? I know he will come around, but trust me, he will do good in business.
It's okay if you say so.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, you really think about how to go about it. Hmm? And what are those things you said you needed to buy?
Oh, I was about coffee sir before you came.
It's okay. Just come over to my room. Shall we give you?
Okay, Daddy.
There's no foodstuffs in this house. I don't want to do anything about it. Eh? Why now?
Sandra. Kene love. See, you know your brother is not stingy. Your brother, I'm not stingy. As I'm talking to you right now, I have about, I think, 24 coffins in my shop. But nobody wants to die. Even this man, this old man, and that the man say, atata now. I thought by now that man should have been dead. Maybe before the dead. No, they are my customer, they are family.
Hey, Colin. Welcome.
How are you?
Welcome. Let me offer you a form. You're looking good. Let me offer you a seat, oh?
Wait. Why are you welcoming in my house?
Call yourself.
Just take it easy now.
I can see that the both of you, you don't appreciate what I'm doing in this house. It's
It's okay. Thank you. Chairman, please, you can go.
Mude, respect yourself. Respect yourself. This thing is a no. Kelechi, attend to your business.
Okay, wait for me.
Mude, what is the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Look.
We can't even go out all in the name that you are protecting us. Are we animals? Will you marry us? Mude, you keep protecting us all in the name of what?
Hey.
Huh?
You can see it however, whichever way you want to see it. I don't care. You girls are too precious to me. Look at you, look at your freshen up. I go and knock coffins and I invest the money on you. Look at how smart you're looking. You're telling me rubbish.
See, Mude, we are not goats. Anya urewu now. If you're looking for food to protect, go to the market and buy them. Buy goats and start protecting them. Leave us alone now.
See, I'm protecting you from bad boys.
What stupid bad guys? Mude, police is not bad now. It's not
bad. Who is not bad? Okay, if he's not bad, why looking for you during working hours? You think I will not be around? Look, let me tell the both of you. I know what I'm talking about. No one should confuse me. They went down. Rubbish.
God of Israel. What kind of brother is this,
Where in there now?
I ain't your cousin. Hey guys. How are they?
That's right. See what I tell you. Oh no, just waste time.
Yeah.
Sit down. We could just go out in case we see that guy. Just execute our plans. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And the earlier the better. The earlier the better.
How will they run the matter now?
I will do them like this. Two of us, me and you, will stand like people where they wait for KK or boss or whatever. As in passenger where they travel. You go hide. Now when we catch the guy, bam, you go come out like a rescuer. From there, nobody gonna know that we are you, but inside us, we know now where they go. So immediately we move, but we leave the whole 34 everything go just normal.
Correct. You understand? Trust me, the guy, no shaking. Nothing do it. But, where do we see the wait for now? We go now, I be now, we will have fun.
Might just do something.
Do something.
Yeah, it's so sweet.
Really? You like it?
I like it.
This is okay for us?
No, it's not.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
So where will we go?
Let's go upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
You want to go upstairs and meet yourself?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
I won't go with you. Let me be there so that you come down. Make it. Don't waste time.
Okay.
Go.